Okay, just to get straight into it, I am blow drying this cap to my head. I have two caps on. I have a black cap and a stocking, or what do you call those, pantyhose? And I'm just trimming it up. I did use spritz because I didn't want to use the lace glue that I had because I am running low. So these are the only pair of pantyhose I had. They're more or less my complexion and they're very transparent. But I just needed something to hold down my hairline. Right here, I had to roll it back a little bit and just snip off some extra lace. I'm using some curved eyebrow maintenance scissors. Ooh, sorry about that little cough. Yeah. Now, I'm just going to try to wiggle it. Oh, I did forget that I had the pantyhose still on around my neck. So I just had to snip. Now I'm going to place the wig and see how far forward I want it. I don't want to cover up too much of my forehead because I want it to look somewhat realistic. Because in real life, I have a big forehead. So it's looking good. I do have a little extra lace right there. And that's only because it's balding on that piece. So I just had to reshape it a little bit. Cut off any lace that didn't have any hair on it, because what's the point of gluing down lace that doesn't have any hair? So it looks good placement wise, and yes, it is not perfect, but nobody's hairline truly is. So when it comes down to gluing it, especially because it's a reinstall, I just pull it back a little bit from where I want the placement to be and put the glue in front of the lace so that this way it's perfectly matches up and I don't have to do a whole bunch of configurations to make sure oh, did I put enough glue here, or I might have to go back in and add more glue underneath the lace. No, this is going to be a one and done kind of thing when it comes down to this glue placement. And so now I'm just adding more glue just to add some more surface area so that this just doesn't just come off in one night. And I think I did do 3 layers, which is just average. It's going to last me about a week. This glue, it's supposed to be boat hold. I bought it from the beauty supply store. And it wouldn't even glue down a cap when I glued it a few times before. And I was just no. But it does dry pretty transparent. So this is me just applying that last layer, using that rat tail comb to, smooth it out. We don't want it too thick or anything like that. The thinner of the consistency that we can get it, the easier it will just adhere and melt. So now I'm just gonna grab that lace and just slightly apply it, just not too much pressure or whatever, just to get it, just make sure that if it buckled somewhere, I'm able to fix that. But I didn't have that problem because it was pretty much already pre-fitted to my head. So I was just tapping it in with my finger, not too much pressure, because I am going to use my comb to then continuously press that lace in and get the hair out the way. So you're going to see that in a second. Right here. So I'll just hold down the front and then actually just comb it back to make sure that that the lace is melting in, adhering good. It look good right now, and I don't even got no makeup on. But you can tell it's a little light. The lace is transparent, and I did not apply any makeup to the lace. Only to the cap, and just a little bit. Just press, apply that pressure, and comb backwards. Same goes for this side, and I usually do have an issue with this side. I'm not sure why. Maybe my eyes don't work too good over here. But it was still glued down nice. And I had the right amount of glue. Placement was good. So I'm just going in with some powder makeup, just a light tap going across the front. 'Cause I hate when it gets on the hair and then it like leaves it looking dry. So now I got my headband, and I like to put it in front of the hairline and spritz it because I don't want the spritz to run down my forehead and leave my whole face tacky. So once I do that, I just slide it back, just... And then I'm going to hit that with my blow dryer. I go between hot and cold, press the button to make it a little colder. So once I feel like, that's dry enough, looking like a good up things then. So this was after I finished installing it. I tried to make a little TikTok or whatever. And I record everything in slow motion. But do you see that list though? Like, this might as well be my hair. And with this one, I don't even think I bleached the knots all the way because it was a lot of black dots there, but that's neither here nor there. My hair still was looking good. So now I'm trying to do this trending hairstyle. I don't even know what it's called, but it's like you gotta sleek down the middle and then it still like has a ponytail that's like flipped up in the back, if you get what I mean, and it's like a half up, half down kind of thing. So I'm just smoothing it out here at the top. I did not use a flat iron at all. I did not want to break that thing out. So I had my hot comb on. It was on a low temperature, like 210. Right here, kind of mold it. I think I'm going to add some spritz here to keep that shape that I want. Where it kind of looks like it's like tucked a little bit. So you can see like the hairline itself. And that hold spray is going to give it a little shine. And I think this one has the aloe vera in it, so it's not like super drying. Right here, I pinned it back because I definitely had to do my baby hairs first. And I don't know why I was trying to skip that part. Because that's going to have to go underneath that hair on the top. That's going to be like the layer. So I like to spritz it and use my setting foam as well to style it. Oh my God, my toddler is coughing her life away. I gave her medicine. So, hit that with the blow dryer, get a little tacky because if it's too wet, it's not going to mold how I want it to mold. And it was still a little too wet, even right here, but I did what I had to do, okay? Make them edges edge, them baby hairs. I did not cut them either because what if I need the hair? I've already done cut off so much hair off this lace, I don't want to have to cut more again. Whenever you take it off, there's always a little shed. Use my finger. I'm not giving no tutorial on how to do baby hairs. Everybody do theirs differently. I'm just doing my little swoop-a-doops and calling it a day because I'm not doing the extra baby hair. Okay, so... Oh, I don't even think I had that part recorded, but I definitely did part out the frontal section and put that in a ponytail so I can have it separate from the actual hair in the back that is, like, sewn on to the cap. Right here, I am just doing my little swoops on the side to have my little, what do I call those? Sideburns, I guess. So, once again, going back in with that flat iron, trying to get that nice and sleek. Because I did my baby hairs now, and I did not tie them down. And I feel like I might have paused the video, like paused my recording and tied those down just for a little sec because I need them to stay in place. I didn't want them to move. So now, after I got my middle part section nice and flat, I took a elastic band and secured that in the back. So now, the hairstyle is pretty much complete here. Like, I try my best. Like, I'm not really big on recording because the camera's always stopping. So, I decided, okay, let me do a little makeup or whatever to set this look in. And something came in the mail. My husband sent me something for Valentine's Day. I wasn't expecting it because it was definitely a day late. And this big old box came and that small box came as well. And I was excited. So we're just going to open those up. And it is strawberries, chocolate covered strawberries. And they were super cute. Like, look at the little faces. So, yum. There's actually 2 boxes of strawberries, but this box was my favorite. Something about the chocolate on this one hit different, and the strawberries were very fresher. These were from 1-800-Flowers, like, I think was the company, or where he ordered it from, and then they shipped it, or whatever. I don't really know. And this needed something to open this big old box, because I was not sure what was in here. And I thought, I'm like, there's more chocolates in here. It had a little card. But, see, they didn't put nothing on it. They didn't say anything at all. But you know, it's a thought that counts. And I really do appreciate the gift. I was not expecting it, and I was happy. Honestly, I'm not going to say he lives to make me happy, but he going to do what he got to do, okay? Because I'm a big crybaby. I was struggling for the life of me to get that open, but it was some more strawberries, and these weren't as good as the first box. I had some roses in there, and I really like those. Look at them. Nice and fresh. So I'm opening the second box of chocolates. This is a little smaller box. This one was packed like... Don't mind my shirt either. I was eating. I'm so sorry. That girl is happening in the back. But these strawberries were not as good